folks, today's topic is, let's say you are a home buyer and you bought a home where the previous owner did work on the house, but probably should have been permitted, but wasn't, and now you're stuck in a situation where the city has discovered it. What happens? What do you do?
Oh, that one. We actually are working with Robert with a client who was in a similar situation where the home was bought and work was done without a permit, and now we're here to resolve their issue.
Right. And this happened in King County jurisdiction. It was a permitted deck, and then it was infilled as living space. And the previous owner, I think, was very creative in the idea that they know that they're going to be seeing it from above, and so it was a cot. So then the homeowner bought the project, and when that project was bought, King County came out, assessed the project or the property, said, oh, it's a deck, why is it living area? And so then they got hit with this ABC permit. King County does it, Seattle does it, already built construction. So what do? We can help you with that. We create all the documentation necessary. We submit it in a way that we simplify your life because we take care of all the permitting process.
Exactly.
And now it's all in negotiations. We come to the table, we negotiate with these government entities, and we help you make a situation that was, oh my God, what do we do? To here you go, here's the permit, and making sure everything's legit. And building value.
In addition, that home got a little bit of readjustment, so now their home is fabulous, and it's on Alki Beach, so it's pretty exciting.
Yeah.
One thing that I'll add to the comments that Robert and Ariana just mentioned was that I think when you're buying a home, it's better to try to hopefully discover these things early rather than after the fact. Things that you can pay attention to that your broker should be helping with is, looking over the seller disclosure, looking at the King County records, because King County, if you go to the property records, you'll see all the permits that have been pulled on the property. Look through what they've done or haven't done, right? And raise red flags, right? So if you discover these things up front, you can negotiate things up front rather than after the closing where it's much harder to deal with.
And paying is phenomenal at that. So if you guys are buying a home and it's like, hey, we're not sure, that negotiation, if things were done without permit, could actually be a benefit to you because you can negotiate knowing that if things go out of whack and there's an additional fee, you can actually turn that into something positive and get things fixed up, get a creative team on board, and turn something that is going to be you.
Awesome. Well, I think that's all the questions that I have for today's short segment.
All right. Well, thanks so much.
Thank you.